Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have another play with the temporary tattoo, and this time is going to be a tiger. And yeah, I just love those. If this is something for you, just stay tuned. First of all, I painted my tumbler in black with black acrylic paint. And I took this all-purpose crafting glue and put it in a thick layer on top of my tumbler because I wanted to put some glitter on. First I take my chunky glitter and I put it on the tumbler because I didn't want the fine glitter to cover the chunky glitter. That's why I do that first. Now I'm filling up the in-betweens with my fine glitter. So, and because I want my glitter to lay really flat, I take my tumbler and wrap it into the parchment paper that I have here. And I'm really pressing it down and like really rubbing it down so the glitter will really lie flat on top of the tumbler. That's really an advantage because you don't need too much resin in the first layer, and everything that comes off right now was not even sticking at all. And if you have spaces where there is no glitter yet, you can just put some more glue on top of it and then put more glitter on. After the glue had really been dried, about 24 hours, I put my first layer of resin on top. The resin has cured now, and now I'm making marks where exactly I will have the tiger head on my cup, so I will know the position and I can figure out the rest with it. With my painter tape, I will cover every spot of that tumbler that is not used for the face of this tiger. I have for reference, as you can see here on my cell phone, a tiger print, and I use that to mimic that print of the fur in the back of the cup. So I draw lines only on the painter's tape, and I think this is gonna come out really nice. And I do that for all the spots that I have my painter's tape on. Now I take my cutter knife and I cut all the shapes out, and I will take everything in between off of the tumbler. So where the painter's tape is going to be left, these are going to be my tiger stripes in the finished cup. After I took out everything that I didn't need it, I took some spray paint in orange and I sprayed my whole cup with it. And this is the tiger face, and now I know exactly where I have to put it. I'm putting my temporary tattoo now on top of my cup, and I will let this run a little bit faster because I have lots of videos that where I explain exactly how to do that, and I will link one of those videos in the corner right there. Now it's about time to take the painter's tape off. I should take it off yeah, right after spraying the tumbler, but I didn't, so I have to cope with it. I'm just lifting it up with my knife here, and as you can see underneath the glitter will appear, and this is what y'all call a peekaboo effect. The spray paint left a kind of a rim outside of those stripes, and yeah, you avoid that if you take the painter's tape off as long as the paint is still wet. This is what it looks like now, and I really love those stripes. The temporary tattoo had blue eyes, but ever since I put the tattoo on an orange background, the blue disappeared altogether. So I decided to paint the eyes in white first, and then I will paint them in gold on top. And to make it look like more realistic, I put some dots into the eyes. Well, with those golden eyes, he looks kind of grim, and yeah, but anyhow, I still love that cup, and I love the peekaboo, the glitter underneath. This is like, to me, really beautiful. This is going to be the first layer of resin on top. The resin has cured, and I had some issues with the bottom rim and the top rim, so I decided to put some jungle around the tiger head. So I'm painting the rims with green to make it look like he's looking out from the jungle. I will use some different shades of green just to give it a little bit of depth, and I will paint some leaves later on it. So and this is what my tiger looks like up to now, and I really love it. After that, there will be another layer of resin. Now I'm taking my gold acrylic pen and I'm drawing my leaves onto the green spots of that cup. And sadly from that camera angle you can't see really good what I did, but I hope you imagine it anyhow. like my video, please leave me a thumbs up. This will show the algorithm of YouTube that you like my content, and it's not much to do for you, but it means a whole lot for us content creator, because most of us have really small channels, and yeah, we have a lot to struggle to be seen here on YouTube. So if you want to see me here on YouTube much longer, then please help us or help me. I really appreciate it. So this is what the cup looks like now, and I think this is really pretty. Of course, the tiger is a little bit on the matte side because I sanded it to have something for the resin to grip on. This is the final result, and I think it went really well, and I'm in love. So how about you? What would you do different? What did you like about their project? Leave me a comment. I hope I see you in my next video, and until then, bye bye.